Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. This is Mustaq Ahmed and the last two digits of my registration number is 61. Today I discuss about the basics principles of graphics design that help ensure effective visuals and the most common option for presenting data in visual format. Basically there are the combination of two topics. First one is the basics principles of graphics design and second one is the most common option for presenting data in visual format. So first of all I discuss about my first topic, then I discuss my second topics. If I asked you what is graphics design, what will you answer then? According to the American Institute of Graphics Arts, graphics design can be defined as the arts and practice of planning and projecting ideas and experiences with a visual and textual format. Graphics design takes a graphical and textual element and implements them into multiple types of media. It helps the producer connect with the consumer. It conveys the message of project, event, campaign, or product. Basics principles of graphics design. There are 6 principles of graphics design. Number 1, contrast. Contrast refers to how different elements are in a design, particularly adjacent element. These differences make various elements stand out. Contrast is also very important aspect of creating accessible design. Number 2, balance. Every element of design, typography, colors, images, shapes, patterns, etc. carries a visual weight. Some elements are heavy and draw the eye, while other elements are lighter. The way these elements are laid out on a page should create a feeling of balance. Number 3, emphasis. Emphasis deals with a part of design that are meant to stand out. In most cases, this means the most important information that design is meant to convey. Number 4, hierarchy. Hierarchy is another principle of design that directly relates to how well content can be processed by people using a website. It refers to the importance of elements within a design. The most important elements should appear to be the most important. Number 5, rhythm. The space between repeating elements can cause a sense of rhythm to form, similar to the way the space between notes in a musical composition create a rhythm. There are 5 basic types of visual rhythm that a designer can create. Number 1, random. Number 2, regular. Number 3, alternating. Number 4, flowing. And number 5, progressive. 6, pattern. Patterns are nothing more than a repetition of multiple design elements working together. Wallpaper patterns are the most ubiquitous example of pattern that virtually everyone is familiar with. Importance of graphics design. Graphics design organizes information to help deliver a message in the most effective way possible. It also just makes something look nice when the ideal picture, a skillful crafted headline, and a professionally done packaging are combined. The message is effective. That's all from graphics designing. Now I discuss about the data visualization. What is data visualization? Data visualization is the visual presentation of data information. The goal of data visualization is to communicate a data or information clearly, effectively to readers. Typically, data is visualized in the form of a chart, in graphic, diagram, or map. Types of data visualization. Data visualizations come from many different forms. There are 3 types of data visualization. Number 1, infographics. All infographics is a collection of imagery, charts, and minimal text that gives easy to understand overview of topic. Number 2, charts. In the simplest terms, chart is a graphical representation of data. Charts use visual symbols like line, bar, dots, slices, and icons to represent data points. Some of the most common types of charts are bar charts, line charts, pie charts, bubble charts. Number 3, diagrams. Similar to a chart, a diagram is a visual representation of informations. Diagram can both two-dimensional and three-dimensional. Some of the most common types of diagram are mind diagrams, Venn diagrams, tree diagrams. System of presenting data visually. Number 1. Avoiding distorting the data. While data visualizations are an opportunity to show off your creative jobs, function should never be sacrificed for fashion. The chart styles, colors, shapes, and sizing you use all play in a role in the data is interpreted. If you want to present your data accurately and ethically, then you need to take care to ensure that your data visualization does not present the data falsely. Number 2. Tell a story with your data. Data visualizations like infographics give you the space to combine data and narrative structure in one page. Visual likes, icons, and bold fonts let you highlight important statistics and facts. Number 3. Use icons to emphasize important points. If there are specific data points that you want readers to pay attention to, placing an icon beside it will make it more noticeable. Number 4. Combine different types of data visualizations. While you may choose to keep your data visualization simple, combining multiple types of charts and diagrams can help to tell a more rounded story. Number 4. Use bold fonts to make text information engaging. If you have a lot of text information, you can still create a presented data visually. Use bold, interesting fonts to make your data exciting. Just make sure that above all else, your text is still easy to read. That's all from me. Thank you so much for listening my presentation.